Hi friends, today we're going on a journey from a cruise ship in our car to Geelong on the water. After we went inside to get our tickets, we waited in our car for our turn to go inside the cruise ship. After it was our turn, we went inside the cruise ship, as you can see. We parked our car, and when we got outside, we went to the deck on top of the ship to look where we're going and at the water. We watched as we moved through the water on the ship. There are even 2 telescopes which work if we put $1 or $2 in it. We saw another cruise ship from Geelong coming to where we started the video. There are only 2 cruise ships, one that goes to Geelong and the other one that goes from Geelong, and then they switch.
All I wanna
going downstairs, we kept on looking through the windows, and there's even a cafe and a little playground inside if you wanted to. As we went lower to our car, because we were almost at Geelong, we stopped to look through a giant window, which was basically the windows. As an announcement happened, we went inside the car and waited for the door to open from the other side of the cruise ship, because then if we opened when we came inside, there would be water. The other side of the ship opened. We waited till we can go outside from our car. Going outside the cruise ship, we looked at and then finally went back home, not on the cruise ship but on road. You can also go to Geelong on road. Guys, it's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. See you in another video. Bye.